Hello guys, how's it going? Are you fine? I think all the audience are very much attentive to my speech and eagerly waiting to know about my most valuable speech of podcast today. Today's podcast is designed by the Look Before You Leap. That means ভেবে চিন্তে কাজ করো. Okay, we have to go to the topics. First of all, greeting to the audience and introduce the topics. I would like to introduce my topics. Look before you leap. Welcome to the topic today's topics of the Look Before You Leap. When we explore the importance of thinking carefully before making decision, we have to share a quick anecdote or quote. That's an old proverb that says, "A wise man thinks twice before cutting something." That means a wise man, here are the questions about wise man thinking. A wise man always thinks